Hello BitTRT followers, welcome to our first video of this week for Ripple's technical analysis against dollar's price. As every Monday we will start with daily chart, then we will continue with 4-hour and 1-hour chart to do technical analysis of Ripple's price. Having said that, let's start with daily chart. Starting with daily chart, we are seeing that the price crossed this 0.31 support level downwards. And when we record this video, the price is here, 0.307, around that level. And as long as the price stay under this support level, our expectation about Ripple's trend's direction is downwards to the 0.28 until touching this level, 0.28. As we can remember, after the price crossed this green line, the price did a breakout from this channel to this channel, which is between 0.37 and 0.28. So it's actually very normal to touch this lower boundary of this channel. But after the price crossed this white trend line, the long one here, it actually proved that it wants to stay under this level. It doesn't want to stay between these levels at this area. It wants to stay between these levels. So it's actually probably the price will test this 0.28 one more time, and our expectation is probably strong buy pressure will show itself from this level. And after that, probably the price start to rise up from this support level. And after that, maybe this formation became a double bottom formation, because when we think like this a double bottom formation, this one is first one, and this downwards move can become double the second bottom. So that after this move, maybe we can see a very strong upwards move for Ripple. But for now, for short term, our expectation is negatively for Ripple. And as long as the price stay under 0.31 support level, this expectation will go on. If the price cross this 0.31 resistance line upwards one more time, we can change our expectation within a positive way. But for now, there is no sign to cross this resistance line upwards. So our expectation is moving downwards until touching 0.28, and after that probably very strong demand, very strong buy pressure will show itself and will push price upwards over this 0.31. And again, maybe after this move, we can see a double bottom formation. If we will see that, probably the price will rise very brutally. We proceed with 4-hour chart, and as we can see here, after this after the price crossed this trend line upwards, it couldn't stay strong over this level, and the target about target about 0.34 has cancelled after this point, and the sell pressure pushed the price downwards, and the price crossed this 0.31 level, as we can see here. And we are seeing strong reaction here, strong buy pressure reaction at this point. But even this reaction couldn't cross this level upwards, and this upwards move worked as a retest move to test this level as a resistance line, and this test ended successfully. And as we can see here, the sell pressure is still very strong, stronger than buy pressure, and it's still pushing the price downwards. And as long as the price stay under this support level, the next target will be 0.28. And when we look at this area, there is no strong sell pressure or there is no resistance and support line here, I mean strong one. Because of that situation, we can see the up move, we can see very strong moves downwards, and we should be careful for high volatility risk, because as I already said, there is no strong support and resistance line. And again, our expectation is probably the buy pressure will show itself from 0.28, and probably it will push the price upwards. So I think it's very good. It will be very good point to start the upwards move for Ripple, this support line. So our expectation is downwards for short-term Ripple, and after touching 0.28, probably we will see upwards move for Ripple. And again, as long as the price stay under 0.31, this expectation will continue. We are continuing with 1 hour chart, and as we can see here, this trend line worked very well here, and the price crossed this trend line with strong buy pressure. As we can see here, the volume is very nice, but as we can see here, the price couldn't stay strong over this level, and the sell pressure pushed the price downwards. So the target of 0.34 has cancelled after this move. And as we can see here, the price after the price crossing this 0.31 level downwards, also it crossed this trend line one more time here, but with very weak moves. So because of that, I don't think that this trend line will help us anymore. I think its mission completed at here at this point. So I will delete this trend line probably tomorrow's video. I didn't delete it now to show in this move of Ripple. So when we look at this latest move after this strong buy pressure reaction, as we can see here, the resistance line is still very strong here, and this downward move is continue. We can say that this current level is working as a support level is this one 0.306, this support line, but I think it's important for just for 1 hour chart. I think the main target is still 0.28, as we can see here. So I want to remind that there is no strong support and resistance line between this area for me, so that we can see the up move for Ripple like this one, or the previous ones here like this moves. So maybe we can see the up move. We should be careful for it. I think the main target is 0.28 for Ripple, and as long as the price stay under this 0.31 resistance level, this expectation will go on. Thanks for watching us. This is it for today. If you like the videos, please don't forget to subscribe us. See you tomorrow for the next video.